Noticed AZW3F files in your Kindle app's data directory? These are font rendering cache files used behind the scenes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Kindle font cache files do and how to manage them. My experience tells me that some AZW3F files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. AZW3F files are font cache files, created by Amazon Kindle applications associated with KF8 Kindle Format 8 ebooks. They contain pre-rendered or cached font data used to accelerate text display. When reading ebooks that include embedded custom fonts, the font cache improves rendering performance for complex typography in Kindle ebooks. Amazon AZW3F font cache files store processed font metrics, glyph rendering data, and layout cache information derived from fonts embedded in KF8 format ebooks. The cache eliminates repeated font processing overhead when reopening ebooks, providing faster page rendering and smoother text display during reading sessions. The AZW3F data container is optimally managed by Amazon Kindle, developed by Amazon.com, Inc. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows cannot show index content relationships, so correct interpretation requires cataloging utilities. To force file access, right-click your AZW3F file and select Open With. If Amazon Kindle is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you are still having trouble opening the AZW3F file, do not worry. We're facing a complicated AZW3F error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, understanding cache files. AZW3F files are generated automatically by the Kindle application and do not contain readable book content. They are supplementary performance cache files stored in the Kindle app's data directory. These files do not need to be managed manually and are recreated automatically when needed by the Kindle reading application. Next, clearing font cache. If Kindle books display with incorrect fonts, missing characters, or formatting errors, delete AZW3F cache files from the Kindle application's cache directory. The Kindle app regenerates the font cache when you next open the associated ebook, resolving font rendering issues caused by corrupted cache data. Finally, managing storage. AZW3F cache files consume disk space proportional to the number of KF8 ebooks with custom fonts in your Kindle library. If storage is constrained, locate the Kindle cache directory and delete AZW3F files for books you have finished reading. The cache rebuilds on demand if you reopen those ebooks in the future. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.